Hello, this is Joan of Art. I'm here at APO WHANG-OD's tattoo place, and that's her. She's doing the tattoo now on several other tourists, and I have my own personal thorn from the suha plant, and they use soot. Hi, Mike. And I feel I'm chickening out right now. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but I'm glad I'm here. And yesterday's experience with APO WHANG-OD was very unique. I'm proud to say that I have this flute, which APO WHANG-OD played, and that's quite a high for me already. Doing her signature 3 dots. Okay, she's using suit and sketch. Oh no, she's using the same needle. No, not me. Sorry, not me. Mike is trying to find the center of his back arm. That's where he wants his tattoo. That's a tattoo already. Tattoo by Ken. Oh my god. Yeah, that's Ken's sketch over there. It's not true that you just come up to APO WHANG-OD, show up with a pre-tattoo design on your skin, and she signs it. If she doesn't like the way it's done, she would refuse. Like this woman, she refused to put her signature beside one of the artwork that was done on her last night, and she would rather put her tattoo someplace else. Okay, that's done. Same needle though, so I don't like the idea. So she also changes needle if you have one with you. I don't know. Yeah, she's changing. Oh, she's checking it. She also has to approve. She has to approve the kind of needle she'll use. Or she has. Has to be the right kind. Okay. Has to be the right kind.
Don't really have too much option when it comes to picking. Generally, she does not change between tattoos and come present her with a new thorn, and she can decide whether or not she wants to use it based on how straight it is, how long it is, and she might just end up using one of her own. Yeah, so it's something you might have to swallow if you're here.
What's your decision, Mike?
I'm gonna get it done for sure. 100%.
All right.
But so she brought a needle and she said no, right?
Yes, depends on the kind of needle. But I think your needle has a bend.
So it's no dice.
I know, yeah. But I think she has new needles too.
I don't think they're new. I think they're used, but not used today.
Not used today. So you're gonna go for it.
Yeah, totally.
All right, you've been here for that purpose. So.
And you?
Not really, not exactly.
Use a needle that you brought, or no? She used her needle. Yeah, same with me.
3 dots is 100 pesos, and for the design that's been done by another artist, it's 500 pesos. I'm not doing the tattoo on me, not because I'm chickening out of the pain, but I don't think using the same needle with everybody else is a healthy procedure. So, nah, I'm not doing it. Even if I have my own needle, she might not change it, and point of no return, I can't back out. So I'm backing out right now, standing my ground. No way. This is Joan of Art from Buscalan. It's already a success.